Hello guys, welcome to my channel, Technology Sahayak. This is my another simple tutorial about Instagram account. Today in this video I will show you how to change Instagram username. After entering the Instagram account, you will be in this interface. Here you press on account profile icon. Press on edit profile. Here we can see the username option, press on username and change your username. When we enter our username, the username must be unique. A username should be provided, which is not used by anyone on the Instagram account. Instagram account will give instructions whether the name we provide is unique or not. If the name is unique, there will be a green mark here. Besides, without any unique name, Instagram account will not accept it. We often use numbers next to the username to make our preferred username unique. However, friend, the name I used is unique. I didn't need to use any numbers for that. In your case, if your preferred username is not a unique, use the number next to the name. After entering the username, press on Done option. Friends, you can see that my username has changed. Now again press on Done option to save. If we want to change our username again, we can change it after 14 days. Friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please like that video and also subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.